Are you ready to make 2026 the year you finally earn your first $5,000 online? It sounds like a huge number, but I'm going to break it down into simple, actionable steps that anyone can follow. Forget feeling overwhelmed. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to hit that goal. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about AI-assisted freelancing. This is the future, and it's easier to get into than you think. Companies are desperate for people who can use AI tools to create content, design graphics, or even manage social media. Your first step is to pick a skill. Let's say you choose content writing. Spend a week learning how to use AI writers like Jasper or ChatGPT to generate ideas and drafts. Then, polish those drafts with your own human touch. Next, create a simple portfolio showcasing 3 to 5 high-quality samples. You don't need real clients for this, just create spec work based on imaginary projects. Finally, sign up for platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Start by offering a lower rate to get your first few clients and build up positive reviews. Focus on delivering excellent work, and you can quickly raise your prices. Landing just 2 or 3 regular clients could easily get you to the $5,000 mark. Our second strategy is dropshipping with digital products. Why digital? Because there's no inventory, no shipping, and almost pure profit. Think about things like ebooks, online course materials, digital planners, or even custom social media templates. Your first step is to identify a niche you're passionate about. Maybe it's fitness, vegan cooking, or learning a new language. Then, use a tool like Canva to create your digital product. Canva has tons of templates, making it super easy even if you're not a designer. You could create a 30-day workout plan ebook or a set of meal prep templates. Once your product is ready, set up a simple online store using Shopify or Gumroad. These platforms handle the payment and instant delivery for you. Then, it's all about marketing. Use TikTok and Instagram Reels to create short, engaging videos showing off your product and how it helps people. A single viral video could lead to hundreds of sales. The third method, and one of my personal favorites, is affiliate marketing. This is where you earn a commission by promoting other people's products. The key is to choose products you genuinely believe in. Start by picking a niche you know and love. Let's say you're a huge fan of eco-friendly home goods. Your next step is to find affiliate programs. Big companies like Amazon have their own programs, or you can use networks like ShareSale to find thousands of products to promote. Now, how do you promote them? Create a blog, a YouTube channel, or even just a dedicated Instagram account. Your goal is to create helpful content that solves a problem for your audience. For instance, you could write a blog post on the 10 best eco-friendly cleaning products and include your affiliate links. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It starts small, but as your audience grows, your affiliate income can become a serious, passive revenue stream. So there you have it. 3 proven strategies to earn your first $5,000 in 2026. Whether you choose AI freelancing, digital product dropshipping, or affiliate marketing, the most important ingredient is consistency. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about putting in the work, learning from your mistakes, and never giving up. Take one strategy, commit to it for the next 90 days, and watch what happens. Your financial future is in your hands, and it starts today. You have the knowledge, you have the plan, now go out there and make it happen. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on building your online income. I'll see you in the next one.